We are running a workshop here called the Global Future Lab, where we've got a team of 10 international participants who have come to the Shed here in Manchester Metropolitan University to take part in a workshop where they are being critically and conceptually challenged about their practices, their projects, their products and their business ideas as well.
With the projects, I'm trying to look beyond the extraordinary, to look at how you can redefine what's ordinary and see where you place yourself.
We have folk applications, they're like interactive books that run on these mobile platforms to engage them on cultural content.
It's incredibly inspiring and exciting to be around such phenomenally talented young people from so many different parts of the world. I think the main thing that struck me already on day one is that we've got such an incredible diversity of practice, a diversity of experience, a diversity of the environments that these people are working in.
It's a two-day workshop, and the first part of this has been taking them out around Manchester with a group of international participants. In order to share a conversation, we needed to find common ground. So we took them out around Manchester for a few hours yesterday and asked them to sort of observe and photograph things they thought were of interest. And then from that we've started to unpick and take apart where the things they've observed interacted with systems and designs and futures.
It's sort of a cross between research and a sort of imaginative exercise. So we're thinking, at the moment these things we're doing on these big pieces of paper are just sort of plotting out our own projects and saying, here's the systems that we're using right now in our own local environments and then globally and nationally for our country as well, which has actually become really relevant because we're all from different countries.
It's great being in Manchester and learning how things change around in the city.
It's very interesting because when you just come into different area, different cities, how to live in this city, how to communicate with people. And yesterday it was really interesting to understand how all this works here in Manchester.
We've worked with British Council to find some of the most inspiring, surprising, sparky young people who are really breaking boundaries and doing very, very imaginary, important work in new media.
In a lab like this, what we're trying to achieve is we are hosting a really safe place for people to explore their practice, for people to challenge their own practice, for people to learn from people coming from different parts of the world. And we do this all within the context of a fantastic UK platform like FutureEverything.